Hello, I'm Micks Mowers the Mower Man, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, something a little bit different for you. As you all know, my workshop is only about a 10 foot by 20 foot. It's normally full of bits and pieces, mowers and machinery and strimmers, and it's very, very dirty. And Banggood got hold of me, wanted to send me a vacuum cleaner, but I wasn't interested in any sort of uprights or cylinder style ones. You know, it takes a lot of room with electrical cords and what have you. I wanted something that was simple, easy to use, and easy to store and small. That was very important to me. So they sent me a package, and you can get 20% discount codes off of this, which will all be in the link. All the purchases, all that sort of stuff, will all be inside the description and in the comments section there. So they sent me this box here. Let me get rid of the main box. Put that down there. So they sent me the Honiture cordless vacuum cleaner S13. There it is there. It comes in a really swish sort of box, to be fair. Inside here you will get a vacuum cleaner, an adapter, a cleaning tool, user manual, aluminium tubes, the brushes, the EPA filters. You'll get 2 tablets as well for aromatherapy, make it smell nice. I could do that in here. And a 2-in-1 brush, all right? So everything you need is inside this box. I've always opened the box up, took the charger out, charged that up, so that's all fully charged, good to go. And we'll have a look inside it. So let me just get the camera repositioned. I'll show you what's actually on the box, because to be fair, you know me and instructions, either the instructions are good or they're shocking. I want to show you the instructions on this one. I think you'll be impressed. Right, so here'd be the box. Honiture cordless vacuum cleaner S13. Comes with a digital touch display screen, so you can set the speeds up just by a touch button panel. It's got a dual purpose roller brush, it's got a powerful suction, and it's got a long runtime. I think it's about 50-minute runtime on here, right? But what I like about it, and some of the instructions, as you know, on some of the bits and pieces are shocking. But look at that there, look. Now someone has actually put a little bit of thought into that, okay? It tells you exactly where the bits go, what it all does, how to change the filters, how to clean it out. It's got it all. So what you could do really is, instead of keeping a box, you could just tear that little package off there, put that in, fold it in half, put it in a filing drawer, and you've got everything there, all in one sort of location. So I actually, do you know what? I actually quite like that for a quick, easy to use, how to use guide. Everything you need is on there just like that. I quite like it. So it's got a boost into eco mode. Down the bottom, you just touch the screen down the bottom, and you choose the plus and minus keys for standard mode to go up and down. So that seems good enough. So let's get it out of the box, and we'll see what we've got inside it, I suppose. Let me just move it around a touch. Seems to be quite well packaged. You've got lots of bits and bobs in here. That looks like your main bar. You've got a cleaning tool here as well. You've got, that looks like your wall mounting bracket there. That's quite good. And then you've got this cover here, that comes off, get rid of that. You've got your main brush head, there it is. You've got your main sort of chamber for keeping your all your dust in, a little filter, another cleaning tool. You've got the battery, you've got the charger as well. I think that's all that's in the box, yes it is. And then over here you also got you've got a user manual as well. Right, inside here you got your guarantee. All right, 3-year extended warranty. Hit the old QR code and away you go. So make sure you do that. So 3-year extended warranty on there. And then you've got your user manual, how everything works. And do you know what? Again, it just looks really, really simple to use. It's all in English and what have you. There's different languages as well. Yes, there is. So is it English at the front? Yeah, English at the front for about the first 10 pages. And you just got everything you need in there. It just looks really well presented. I've got to say it. Normally, if I look at instructions and they're no good, I'll tell you they're no good, you know. And that's normally why I'm not doing videos anyway, to show you how to use stuff, because the instructions are poor. But these instructions, they look really, really good. Okay, so read and digest your instructions. Let's get the packaging out of the way, get reset up, and then we'll try and put this little vacuum cleaner together. Right, let's unbag it. So we got a couple of tools. You've got this little tiny tool here, suction job, and you just push that in, and then the brush goes down so you can brush stuff too. This is perfect for on the bench, right? Perfect for like hoovering up grass off the mowers. You've got another tool here, fantastic, just getting into nooks and crannies. So that'd be good for getting down in between the decks and what have you. That'd be good. So we've got 2 tools there. What other tools we've got? We've got a little tiny filter here. That'll go inside the main. Oh, 2 filters there, pre-filter and a secondary filter. You've got your charger, you've got your main tube here, which you'll find to be fully extendable as well. So that's the main tube there. And this is like telescopic, guys, so you just do that. And it'll lock off at multiple positions. See that? All the way out or halfway in, however you want it. It does whatever you want, so that's good, like that. Also got your main head on it with like a 360-degree union joint on there and all, which is quite good. And also got your main brush there as well. There you go. That's good. Wall mount bracket there as well. Let's have a quick little gander at that. And what you can do with this is you can put this anywhere in your house near a socket, of course, to charge it. Right? It comes with little raw plugs. But then it's also got a place here to hang it up. But then you can also hang your tools as well, so you don't lose your tools. So it's all in one location. So that's pretty cool. Quite like that. Comes with a battery as well. 25.9 volt battery. There it is there. Click in place. It's got a little LED charger there. It flashes when it's charging and it stays on when it's fully charged. So you got that, and then also you got your main unit itself, which is your cylinder, if you like, and it's just a trigger operated. Just trigger. Easy, easy, easy. Right, let's get it all put together and we'll go from there. Right, to put this thing together, quite simple. But before we do, the filters, if you push this little tiny release button here, that'll lift that cylinder up, take it out. And one of the filters sits in here. There's one filter, little tiny tab just there. And the other filter is a pre-filter which sits in there. Okay, so the filters you get with this Hoover, you get a spare set. To put it back together, just put this top end in first, at the top, and then sit that down. And once you get it all lined up, it clicks into place and away you go. To put the battery on, nice and easy, pull, line it up, and you want the little tiny catch, the red catch to be at the front. Just slide that in until it goes click, in it goes. And then trigger operated. You got to just touch it once, hold it down for about a second, let it power up, and then your LED display screen will light up at the back here. So hold it in, machine powers up, and then your LED screen is all there. And just by touching one of the knobs up here, will then just literally increase it. There you go, so that's on low, next one up, plenty of suction, that's good. And then to turn the machine off, just literally trigger it and away you go. So that's simple, no problem there. Let's put the tube on next. So to put your tube on, literally you can see everything has got a little tiny red button on here. So anywhere there's a red button, that clicks into somewhere, and that just slide into there. Until it goes click, push it in. And then on this one here, this is where you can then extend it out. So out it comes. And look at the length you got there. Nice long length. You can then put your tool on the back of that, depending on what you want to do. Click your tool in, and then you can have that one on there, or just push a button, that comes out. Get your next one. So everything clicks into place. Really, really simple. No drama at all. And then the main brush head one, that goes on. Super. Nice and simple. I mean, again, just turn the device on. Just hold the trigger. That's on the low setting. Turn it up. There you go. So it's got a bit of dirt and dust on the old table here. It's got LED lights on the front as well, so you can see what's going on. So not a bit of dirt here, just in front. Sucks it up. No problem at all. So I really probably wouldn't use the head for this, for cleaning the bench off. This is a bit long for me. I'm just shorten it down a touch. But you can go all the way around your bench or your stairs or whatever it is you've got. Have a nice clean up, and you'll be able to see in a minute that all the dust and debris has actually gone into the cylinder. So as we're cleaning, all the dirt and debris coming now off the bench, and there's lots of dirt and debris on it, trust me. And all of the stuff is sitting and swirling around in here. That's what it's collecting, so it's doing its job. Now I probably won't be using this on the floor, because as I say, it is a workshop. However, I'll be using it just to clean the grass off of the decks and stuff. Turn that down. turn that off. And you can see inside, we've already now got a lot of the debris inside. And to clean that debris out, you just push this button here, tip it up, and there's all your debris. And that's how dirty the top of the bench was on my worktop. But I'll probably use this just more in the handheld sort of situation. Probably something like that would be a good one for me. So just turn it on. And I can use that just to clean up around lawnmower decks, getting in amongst the crevices there. Or this one would be even better if I got something a bit more stubborn. Put the brush down, and then just squeeze the trigger in, just one click, and then you can brush it as well to get any stubborn stuff off. So yeah, all in all, Honiture miniature workshop vac, at home vac, whatever it is you want to do. You can pick one of these up. So in the description there will be links for 20% discount code off of this, and also there'll be links for where you can purchase it from, all that sort of stuff. So if you think this would benefit you in your workshop, around your home, go and pick one up.